LTCH deadline, Kessler Topaz Meltzer and Check, LLP reminds investors of Latch Incorporated of deadline in securities fraud class action lawsuit and encourages investors with substantial losses to contact the firm. Radnor, Pennsylvania Newsfile Corporation, October 8, 2022, the law firm of Kessler Topaz Meltzer and Check, LLP, www.ktmc.com, informs investors that a securities class action lawsuit has been filed in against Latch Incorporated F/K/ATS Innovation Acquisition Corporation, Latch, NASDAQ, LTCH. The action charges Latch with violations of the federal securities laws, including omissions and fraudulent misrepresentations relating to the company's business, operations, and prospects. As a result of Latch's materially misleading statements and omissions to the public, Latch investors have suffered significant losses. Click here to submit your Latch losses. You can also click on the following link or copy and paste in your browser, https://www.ktmc.com/newcases/Latch Incorporated? _source equals PR and _medium equals link and _campaign equals Latch and mktm equals R. Cannot view this video? Please click here. Lead plaintiff deadline, October 31, 2022 class period, May 13, 2021 through August 25, 2022. Contact an attorney to discuss your rights, Jonathan Nagy, Esquire at 484-270-1453 or via email at info@ktmc.com. Kessler Topaz is one of the world's foremost advocates in protecting the public against corporate fraud and other wrongdoing. Our securities fraud litigators are regularly recognized as leaders in the field individually, and our firm is both feared and respected among the defense bar and the insurance bar. We are proud to have recovered millions of dollars for our clients and the classes of shareholders we represent. Latch's alleged misconduct. In August 25, 2022, Latch filed a Form 8-K with the SEC informing investors that the company's audit committee and management had determined that Latch's consolidated financial statements for 2021 and the first quarter of 2022 would need to be restated. Latch also disclosed to investors that certain revenue recognition errors occurred as a result of unreported sales arrangements due to sales activity that was inconsistent with the company's internal controls and procedures. Following this news, Latch's stock fell 13 cents, or 12.2%, to close at 95 cents per share on August 26, 2022. What can I do? Latch investors may, no later than October 31, 2022, seek to be appointed as a lead plaintiff representative of the class through Kessler Topaz Meltzer and Check, LLP or other counsel, or may choose to do nothing and remain an absent class member. Kessler Topaz Meltzer and Check, LLP encourages Latch investors who have suffered significant losses to contact the firm directly to acquire more information. Click here to sign up for the case. WHO can be a lead plaintiff? A lead plaintiff is a representative party who acts on behalf of all class members in directing the litigation. The lead plaintiff is usually the investor or small group of investors who have the largest financial interest and who are also adequate and typical of the proposed class of investors. The lead plaintiff selects counsel to represent the lead plaintiff and the class, and these attorneys, if approved by the court, are lead or class counsel. Your ability to share in any recovery is not affected by the decision of whether or not to serve as a lead plaintiff. About Kessler Topaz Meltzer and Check, LLP. Kessler Topaz Meltzer and Check, LLP prosecutes class actions in state and federal courts throughout the country and around the world. The firm has developed a global reputation for excellence and has recovered millions of dollars for victims of fraud and other corporate misconduct. All of our work is driven by a common goal: to protect investors, consumers, employees and others from fraud, abuse, misconduct and negligence by businesses and fiduciaries. The complaint in this action was not filed by Kessler Topaz Meltzer and Check, LLP. For more information about Kessler Topaz Meltzer and Check, LLP, please visit www.ktmc.com. Contact Kessler Topaz Meltzer and Check, LLP. Jonathan Nagy, Esquire 484-270-145-3280 King of Prussia Road, Radnor, PA19087info@ktmc.com. To view the source version of this press release, please visit https://www.newsfilecorp.com/release/139793.